When you have your chart in your sheet, you can copy and paste it into a Google Doc or a Google Slides presentation. To copy it, you select your chart, go to the three dots, ice cream cone, and you copy chart. And then you can go into your Google Doc, right click and paste. And you can either link to the spreadsheet or you can paste it as unlinked. And I'm going to do this both ways. So I'm going to paste here, and then I'll show you the other way too. So if I come back to my spreadsheet, I do have this chart on its own sheet like this. So I'm going to just click copy chart button here, and then I'm going to come back over here to my Google Doc and paste. I'm going to paste it as unlinked, and then I have that, so you see the difference in the two charts.